It's the worst feeling. You go grab your Sony WH-1000XM6s for a flight or a gym session and they are completely dead. Even worse, you plug them in and nothing happens. No red light, no charging, no life. But before you assume the battery is fried, there are a few specific steps Sony recommends to get them drawing power again. Let's get troubleshooting. If they're plugged all the way in, you're gonna hear a click, then the red light indicator will turn on. Red light indicator turns on. Now, where is power coming from? Is it from a power supply, or do you have them connected to a computer USB port? A computer USB port may not provide enough juice to wake up a battery that's at 0%. Let's talk about the temperature guard. And this is a feature and not a bug. The SM6 has a thermal safety range. If the headphones are too hot, like they were sitting outside in your car, or too cold, they will refuse to charge to protect the lithium-ion cells. If you plug them in and the red light is flashing twice repeatedly, that is a temperature warning. Go ahead and move them to a room temperature environment somewhere between 45 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. About an hour or so. Then try plugging them in again and see if that works for you. If the charging light indicator is still not coming on, let's try a soft reset. And while the headphones are plugged in, we want to go ahead and press and hold the power button and the custom button labeled noise canceling ambient sound. So we're gonna go ahead and press and hold those two buttons for about 7 seconds, and you're gonna see that red light after you release it come on. And that means that they are now charging. This what doesn't wipe your data, but it restarts the charging controller. If none of that worked for you, well, it's time to call Sony support, and I'll leave the link in the description below. But hopefully, for most of you, those steps worked okay. If that helped you, let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.